Welcome everybody, this is daviddas and you are watching Think and Retire. In this channel, I talk about building wealth and income from the stock market. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so that you do not miss my future videos. And I thank you very much for supporting my channel throughout these years. In this video, I will talk about how the different sectors performed in the US stock market in 2023. I will also reveal the best and the worst performing stocks from each of these 11 sectors. I recorded this video after market close of the last trading day of 2023. Hope you find this video useful for your research purposes. Please keep in mind, I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. In this video, I'm only going to focus on S&P 500 stocks. US stocks finished 2023 near all-time highs, with S&P 500 gaining an impressive 24% on the year. Dow is near a record high, and Nasdaq had an impressive 43% gain in 2023. Now, let me talk about different sectors. The best performing sector is the technology sector with a gain of 52.42% year to date in 2023. And the worst performing sector is utilities at negative 8.24% year to date. And this picture shows the performance of different sectors from the best to the worst. Now I'm going to talk about the best and the worst stocks for each of these sectors. The best performing technology stock is NVIDIA with a gain of 239%. And the worst performing technology stock is Enphase Energy with a negative 50.1% return. Although it says energy, it's actually a technology company in the solar business. The best stock in the communication services is Meta Platform, which is formerly the Facebook. It had a gain of 194.1% year to date in 2023. The worst performing communication services stock is Paramount Global, and it had a negative 12.4% return in 2023. The best stock in the consumer cyclical is Royal Caribbean with a gain of 162%. And the worst performing stock is Etsy at minus 32.3%. The best stock in the industrial sector is BLDR, which is the Builder's First Source, with a gain of 157.3%. And the worst performing is RTX in the aerospace and defense sector with a negative 16.6%. The best performing stock in the financials is Blackstone with the ticker symbol BX. It had an impressive 79.2% gain in 2023. And the worst performing is Charles Schwab with a negative 17.4%. The best stock in basic materials is Celanese Corporation with a gain of 52%. And the worst performing stock in this sector is FMC Corporation with minus 49.5%. In the real estate sector, the best performing stock is IRM, which is Iron Mountain. It had a gain of 40.4%. And the worst performing is Healthpeak Properties with a negative 21%. The best performing stock in the healthcare sector is Eli and Company with a 59.3% gain. And the worst performing stock in the healthcare is Moderna Inc. with the ticker symbol MRNA, which had a negative 44.6%. In the energy sector, the best stock is Phillips 66 with a gain of 27.9%. And the worst performing stock in the energy sector is APA Corporation with a minus 23.1% return in 2023. The best performing stock in the consumer defensive is our favorite Costco, which gained 47.9%. And the worst performing stock in this sector is Dollar General with minus 44.8%. The best performing stock in the utilities sector is NRG with a gain of 62.5%. And the worst performing stock in the utilities sector is AES Corporation with negative 33.1%. With this, I end this video. Hopefully, you found this information to be useful for your further research. And I thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you the next time.